In this video I just want to do a quick review on creating a YouTube studio or your own studio using some really powerful lighting. The lighting that I'm using at the moment is called the Philips Hue. The Philips Hue is this really great light that you can go buy in a lot of appliance stores and like, you know, JB Hi-Fi and so forth. What's really cool about it is that it can change color. You can change the colors on the actual equipment and through using your mobile phone or your software, and it will change the different colors, and it will also synchronize according to the movies that you're watching, music, and also whatever you're looking at on the screen. So it's really cool. So I'll just give you an example of what it looks like if I change some of the colors around. So notice how it changes colors there. That's a bright one, there's a light blue. There's different themes, so you can change to blue, vaporwave, goes to light purple, Tyrell, disturbed, and obviously this is my favorite one. You can also synchronize up to your games as well. So if you're playing a game, the colors will change according to the game that you're playing. So it's really awesome. Also goes with the music as well. So the Philips Hue, I purchased it. It was about $100 Australian. I'm not too sure how much it is wherever you're looking at, but it's really amazing. It really adds an entire atmosphere to your whole room, because I noticed as soon as you got the cool lighting, the lighting, the atmosphere on your room just looks incredibly, it looks really amazing. So it just makes you feel really awesome. So that's a really good thing I like about the Philips Hue, is that you can change the colors, and you can also turn it off if you leave the house, and also you can have multiple lights around the house as well, and you can control them using your phone as well. So it's really awesome. So yeah, highly recommend the Philips Hue. Go check it out, and let me know how you guys go in the comments. Check out the link on the link here, and let me know how you guys go. Thanks.